Photoshop accuracy improves dramatically when editors understand color perception limitations. Human vision adapts quickly, masking gradual errors during long sessions. To counter this, introduce controlled resets into your workflow. Temporarily add a black and white adjustment layer to evaluate tonal separation without color influence. This reveals contrast imbalances that color can hide. Next, apply a temporary extreme curves adjustment, then disable it. Artifacts, halos, and uneven transitions become immediately visible. Remove the test layers afterward. They exist only for diagnosis. This evaluation-driven approach prevents subtle mistakes from accumulating unnoticed. Professionals do not rely on constant confidence. They rely on verification checkpoints.